There's that thumb I was looking for. All right, teams, let's get match number 24 started in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, as I mentioned before, autonomous mode is my favorite part. It really sees how these teams have engineered their robots to think on their own. All right, looks like Blue Alliance just went to park under that sky bridge. Not a bad strategy, definitely gets them points. Red Alliance also has gotten parked under that sky bridge. Looks like they also got their foundation into the build site. We have settled down during that autonomous mode, just waiting for the teleop.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, it is driver control time. We got both teams setting out on the field, both red and blue going for those stones in the quarry. Let's see what sort of teamwork these teams have talked about before getting this match started. A little bit of a slow start here, but still plenty of time to get things going. All right, Red Alliance has a stone over to their foundation, trying to lift it up, get it placed on that foundation. Hey, placed or pushed, it all works as long as it stays up there. Blue Alliance is trying to push that foundation into their build site. This allows them to score some extra points during the end game. All right, they got that foundation placed in the build site and now are starting to get those stones onto the foundation. Let's see if they're just trying to get as many as possible or if they're actually going to go for a skyscraper. We got 50 seconds left in match number 24. 50 seconds left, still anybody's match. Looks like it could be very close. Oh, sadly, one of Red Alliance teams may be dead in the water. They're just parked there under their sky bridge. Who knows, still got some time. Maybe they can get it going. That's the end game kicking off. End game getting started. All right, as I mentioned before, they're going to try to remove those foundations from the build site and then park in the build site. Looks like Red Alliance has their foundation removed. They have one team parked. Blue Alliance has that foundation removed. They got 5 seconds to park, got one team parked. I don't know if the other team has enough time. That is the end of match number 24. Oh, that looked like it was a little late parking. We'll see how the refs give them those final scores. Still a very close match. We'll have to wait to see who wins.